cool.
Yo, where's our teacher, man?
She's sleeping.
Oh. I didn't mind.
Let's go find her.
Hey, ladies.
Wake
Get up!
Wake up now!
Please, auntie.
What are you doing?
Wake up!
Wake
Let's
up.
go!
What's
No.
Oh, that's...
Are you kidding me? What's the time?
Well, it's about 9:02.
Oh my god. Like,
No,
can I
9:02.
just have a rest?
Well, okay, if you want, auntie, you're the boss.
It is hard. This is hard. This is hard. Hi. Oh my god. These children. They just make you get up and do things, and it's never ending. So I just want everyone to know that I'm feeling you. We are all going through this. So what you got to remember is we've got to keep on going. Just got to keep on moving. We've got to, get up with a sense of purpose. Okay, children. How are we this morning?
You're late. It's already 12.
Come on, give me a chance. I mean,
It's already past 12 o'clock.
oh my gosh. Wow, what are you guys doing?
We're baking. We started our lesson. I listen.
We've started our lesson already.
Because he looks like my fingers in that thing.
Well, you know what? You all get an A. That's how amazing you are. Now I'm just going to have a little... Where's my coffee? I don't know how teachers do it. I mean, that's hard. Like, the concentration that you need is unbelievable. I mean, I've worked as a journalist and as a businesswoman. I've studied, but the actual stamina that you need to be a teacher, like you're actually talking to children. And I know they're mine, and and you love them, but sometimes you don't, you know what I mean? But yes, sorry, sometimes you don't. But I love mine. I don't know about you guys, but anyway, I love mine and I love teaching them. So tomorrow I'm going to get up, I'm going to be positive, I'm going to be early, I'm going to be on.